We're at the Clive car wash. We have D&S Quicksilver. We got $9 here. Processing our payment. Super. Oh, it worked. Well, here we go on in. Alright, let's go on into the wash. Alright, made in the USA, so this one has a treadle. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, here goes the treadle. Well, here we go. Very neat system with the fact that it has a contouring wand on the end. As you can tell, the system runs on hydraulics. The worst sound you're hearing is, I believe it's on the machine. Well, we got our wheel blasters. Very quick system. We got our high pressure now. Yes, indeed. Let's see here. We have touch-free wash. They're a rather interesting system. Alright, looks like we're about to get our tri-glass, as D&S calls it. I like the oscillating nozzles, but anyways, here goes our tri-foam. As I said, D&S calls it tri-gloss. So when I exit, I'm going to have to make sure I do put this into drive, because I accidentally put it into neutral when I was trying to drive in. Actually seems to be doing not that bad. Seems like maintenance has actually come up on this thing recently. Let's replace a hydro spray, and the bay next door used to have a monarch. This thing is extremely quick, as the name implies, by Quicksilver. So yeah, this is an extremely fast car wash. Oh, well, the door's opening. The driver's not saying, oh, we're getting our rinse now. Door opens a bit early. Alright, so let's just watch for the green light. Oh, here we go. Protovest wind shears. have our timer up there. Anyways, without further ado, see you guys later. And guess what? That's gonna be it.